lovely start by Ravindra. A little bit of swing. Taylor finds the gap and cover. Come back for two. Oh, he's knocked him over. It's the perfect start. It's Emid. He's got 5. He's got Taylor. Can you believe it? What a start. What a delivery. Bangladesh on top. Away nicely. Shakira, the oldest player on this Bangladesh side's that fine leg. Edged and through for 4. There's a gap between keeper and first slip, and Ravindra managed to find it. So 9 players in their 20, which there's going to be an overthrow here that's a little bit sloppy. Ravindra will get one, throw the stumps, it was wild.
Keep that confidence levels high within these.
In the air and take it. What a catch that is from the left arm seamer. Emid's got 6. Jameson's on his way. And that is an outstanding piece of fielding. Wow. Bangladesh on top of their game. Fuller, edged and out. Tuscan has done the job. He's gone fuller this time, and Rachin Ravindra couldn't resist. Couldn't resist a thin edge. Bangladesh pick up their 3rd this morning, and this is unbelievable. Oh, knocked him over. That's out. Straight through. It was a full toss, but it swung late. And Tuscan's doing a job here. New Zealand lose their 9th. Southey on his way.
Swinger driving in the air, and there's a big gap down through mid-off, but he'll pick up 4 right out of the screws. Over the top he goes. He's got such a good eye treat, Bolt. When he's playing shots, he can be very annoying. That was it. Bolt goes after it, and oh, that is magnificent! You've been great all innings, all game, Bangladesh. Why stop now? New Zealand will have to attack here. So, as far as Bangladesh is concerned, if New Zealand is going to attack, they will attack the stumps. Runs will come. Underway. A little short, a little wide, didn't bounce. Bottom edge, bit of a whoopsie there. But they'll only take 2.
You'd probably say, Rig, that batting with a new ball is probably the best time to bat.
Yeah, real opportunities to score in that area. Just keep it ticking over. Oh, that's an edge and that's out. So Shabam will go early. Bangladesh will go 1 down early.
In the air finds the gap, and that'll race away for 4. First boundary for Bangladesh. Good shot. Finds the gap point. Goes after it. It's just one piece of fielding. Finds the gap behind point. Great stop on the back. Run away for 4 for Shanto. That is a classical off drive that will race away for 4 into width, and Shanto was straight into it. The likes of Southey and Bolt are the leaders of this bowling attack as well. Finds the gap and will race away for 4. Loose outside the off stump. Got the reward he was after. Nominal. Those numbers haven't improved. Yeah, that's an issue. It's in the air, same result. Race away for 4. Way too wide from Southey, he's being punished. 25 for 1. Edged and edged away for 4. Very strong through that region is Shanto. from the old dog. Yeah, that is an absolute beauty. Moving away to his right, he's taken it in one hand. Bangladesh had finally conquered the World Test Champions and now have their first ever Test victory over New Zealand, home or away. It's taken 16 attempts against New Zealand, but historic ground has now been